beads. And we're gonna do kind of a simple rose. And we're gonna make sure that it has like 3 petals. It's like you place them on like a triangle. Okay. Place it and press and release. And let's go. Do another beads.
Circular. These are 4D gel. It won't dry until you cure them. So you have all the time in the world to actually mold them to how as you like them before you finally cure them. Once you cure, it will be set.
Yep. So it's definitely do all of the work for you. With the acrylic, it will dry, and with the 3D flowers using a 4D gels, it will not cure until you are going to cure it under LED lights. So now you can adjust 3 petals together, and as you see that I am taking my time to get them sculptings, and it make it looks, if you're saying you're seeing that a 3 1 2 3 petals, so you make it looks like it's the circle if you're looking at on all over the nails. So if you're doing acrylics, this will be like set already with 4D gel. You have all the times to work with the products until you're happy. If you need more, you can definitely add more on. If your beads, you know, you need more on the beads, you can definitely. So okay, so it's really good. Happy cure for is flash cure for 10 seconds, and then you can go move on to the next one. So in the next layers, I'm gonna make my beads a little bit smaller. You can do it half size smaller than the first one, and I only need 3 of them. You can do how many layers you would like to, and then 1 in the center. And this one is smaller beads. I'm gonna put it right here. The second layer you are going to place right between your first 2 petals. I mean the first layer of the 2 petals. Press down. This is a special that designs a perfect size for our 4D gels and 5B gel. Press down and release. And leave it there. You can definitely go back and adjusting it as you are going to finish your flowers. Press it again. Stick. So when it happened like this, right, a lot of questions. I'm so glad it's happened in live video. And when it happened like this, we are going to really simple. When I see that, it's automatically I'm going to clean it with alcohol. Just cleaned. It has like a little residues in there, so wipe it and let it dry. Shiny to the mat. Pick up your beads again. Now it's stick on. So now is your 2 is no longer has residues on it.
Yeah, so now my royalty cake is 4D gel. Hey, thank you, Aika.
All right, so pick up the last one. And it's really cool. Your 4D gels will soften it, and then also it's flexible as you are like picking up the beads. Do the same one. So if you pay attention on the second layer on the top, I'm using the beads and I place them right between the gaps of the 2 petals. All right, now we're gonna do a really quick flash cure. Okay, flash cure quick. And then also you can continue doing few more smaller beads as you prefer. Same concept I share with you. You can do a couple petals, and then you can do leaves on it. Let me doing a couple smaller one. It doesn't have to be like getting a smaller. So the best way you want to do, you can get the big beads out, and then you can definitely pick them up and divide them to the smaller beads. Pick it up. And I do a couple right there. You see that my tips had some residue. It's hard to see because it's a white color, but if you're doing like a pink color, you can see it. So when you feel that, don't get too frustrated. Just wipe it off, and then you can pick it up again. So if you're seeing all the procedures I do, I haven't even used any of alcohol at all. You do not need it to sculpting your 4D gel. I'm doing a smaller and add it on. And you don't have to do it perfect yet, okay? Just press it and leave it, just let it go, and then go into the next bead and do the same thing, and you can perfect it in a little bit.
Yep, but you had love in your nails.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for tuning in. All right, so you're gonna do press it right in the center, and using the dual end brush, you're gonna press it down. There you go. Really simple. Can continue doing the same thing. All right, here, quick 10-second. You can do one bead here and there. This whole super simple. And I get some colors, which is deep greens right here to make the leaf. It's really cute. You can just do it simple. And you can add smaller. Right, and then do another one. It doesn't have to be like the same flower. So now it's stick on my tool already. Just wipe it up. Pick it up again. Thank you so much everyone, and happy Tuesday. Hope you all have a fabulous Tuesday. We're testing on a new system. That's why we are streaming on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube right now. Hello, YouTube viewer. Thank you so much for the love and support past many years. All right, so press down, release, press down, and release. All right. And then you can continue doing the same with the leaves. Okay, quick flash here. I'll pick the smaller. That's awesome. Thanks so much, Tiffany. Hey, thank you, Diva. Hey, Dom there, and we have Mika, and hopefully I don't miss anyone. Dom is one of Glitz brand ambassadors. So does Mika. The lady is so talented, and I'm learning so much from them. All right, so next one, I'm going to roll it again. Oh, where's that at? pick up with this. You know what? I was thinking of this one will be emerald is good too. Emerald is lighter. So if you can't find the colors like a green to be is lighter or darker, you can mix two colors together. You can definitely do that. And continue if you feel like you want to add more leaf. Continue to add it on. All right. This one right there. Press on, and then you can able to control it really easy. Press and release. And it's really cool about 40. You can like sculpting and mold however you would like. If you feel like, oh my gosh, it doesn't turn out the way I want, you can pick up your beads and roll it back up and start creating again. So it doesn't limit of your what you can create with. All right. Add more, one more. Press it. All right. Happy with this? We'll go into Kia.